Welcome to What's Printing. Today I'm going to show you my filament storage solution for filament that's not in the AMS. So I bought this Husky box just from Home Depot. Got a few rolls of filament in there. They're actually still in the wrap and the vacuum seal. But this is my new solution I'm using. I'm hoping to be able to fit quite a few rolls in here, at least to get it started. We can take a look here and see where we're landing at for temperatures. So on the outside, 71.4 Fahrenheit, 35% humidity. But then if we take a look in, I just started getting this drying out. So this is just starting to dry out. You can see that desiccant that I packed that I printed in there, and you can see I threw in just an extra. It's in at 25%. So I'm thinking I'm going to put in, well, just down to 24. I think I'm going to put in a few more of these. These are nice. They're designed to fit inside of the spool in the center. So this is my storage solution to start getting the filament to stay dry when it's not in the AMS. That's the 12-gallon Husky container that I'm using to store my extra filaments. That's What's Printing. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and let me know how you store your filament in the comments.